All right, story time. I decided to check out this cool spot that my buddy told me about here just north of my house, and went on the hike, saw the falls. It was super beautiful, and saw this really cool like lookout point on my way in to the falls. So when I wrapped up my hike, I backtracked and went out there because I brought my drone. I was like, this can be such a cool ass spot to try to catch the sunset and like some good, the larches are changing colors here. So anyway, flew my drone. I have 3 batteries, ran through all 3 batteries on my last battery, got a little ballsy, and battery life went down to like 25%, and it was like beeping at me to return to home. And mind you, I mean, I've got it way the fuck away in a national forest. So like no visual, just all that cannot see it. So I, as it's like returning to home, I see this shot and I'm like, cancel. Let me take this quick picture real quick and then I'll fly it back. So I canceled it, took the picture, and as soon as I took the picture, the remote like disconnected. So it's still like freaking out, beeping at me. And so I'm like trying to control it manually, and like I have no visuals, and it's just like freaking out. And all of a sudden the whole controller goes grayed out and it says like emergency landing, and it won't let me do anything. And it's literally landing, I have no idea where. So my remote disconnects and that was it. I lost my drone. I was sick to my stomach. I haven't had anything like that happen with my drone. So yeah, major bummer. And all this content that I shot, gone, because the SD card's on the drone, which is now lost in the middle of a forest. So anyway, I write it off as a loss, go home, chat GPT some stuff, and actually there was a lot of info that I could like grab and figure this out. So I am out here with its last known location and the flight path, and I am walking around like thick ass woods, brush to try to find it, and I am approaching its last known spot. And I thought I'd share what I just saw over here in the woods. So I just took my Onyx and I am approaching the spot, and lo and behold, Icarus! Woo! Dude, I'm telling you, technology is like such a cool ass thing. As I hiked down here to grab him. So I was actually like, once I found out that I could get its like last known coordinates and stuff, and the flight path, and like I could tell like from what the last known information was, it didn't crash or anything. I was just worried about it getting hung up, and like it's pretty dense up here. So if it's ascending, like I thought it was gonna be up in one of these trees and I was gonna have to like fish it out. Nope, just gotta climb down a really steep ass hill. Luckily. So, but yeah, the more I was thinking about it last night, like I was super panicked at first, but honestly, I actually just told my dad this on my drive in, that like I was feeling super hopeful. And dude, I've been out here, I don't know, not even 10 minutes and I found it. But I was telling my dad, like I literally found my solar panel that ripped off Herm, didn't know when it had ripped off, but found it days later in a cow pasture hundreds of yards off the highway. Found that sucker. I mean, it was destroyed, but I still found it, and I was glad to know that I didn't kill anybody with it flying off. Last year in Moab, dropped my nice DSLR camera, didn't know where, out in the middle of a desert. Started raining, flash flood, all the crazy ass shit. I was already on a road that Herm could not navigate on. Found that. And now I found Icarus out in, I'll have to look it up, but I mean, this national forest is hundreds, thousands of acres. And yeah, thought I'd bring you guys along to commemorate Icarus's homecoming. Actually, not too beat up. I think we're doing okay. Best thing is I've got all my fucking content that I took yesterday. I am so excited. I am so excited to share it with you guys because this is some of the best content that I think I've filmed with my drone. And I have my drone back. And literally, check this out. This is where I'm standing, where I just picked up Icarus. This is the upshot. Like, how the hell did it to here? How? This is wild. Wild. I'm gonna take a picture of this. All right, thanks for sticking around till the end, and happy ending. Welcome home, Icarus. So honestly, moral of the story is, if you need help finding something, just holler at me. I have now found a broken solar panel in a cow pasture, a camera in the middle of a desert, and now a drone in the middle of a 1,000+ acre national forest. So holler at me if you've got something lost and you need help finding it. Just your modern day WanderHER Sherlock Holmes.